Hello friends, hope you all will be fine. In this tutorial, I will explain you the simplest technique to solve bisection method with the help of scientific calculator. This technique will help you a lot for saving the time during your exam time. So don't skip the video, just understand this technique because once you get understand this technique then you can find out the root of any function by bisection method just within 2 to 3 minutes. So don't skip the video. Here I will explain you this method with the help of one example. But before that you can observe that for solving this example the procedure is too long, due to which they had also taken the shortcut. But here I will show you how you can do this just within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so just pay attention. Here we have an example. Find the root of equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0 using bisection method correct to 3 decimal places. So here we have to find out the root of this function correct to 3 decimal places. But before that we have to determine the consecutive numbers between which the root exists. So for determining that we have to write this equation into your calculator. Here I will show you how you can write this equation into your calculator. So here you need to have one scientific calculator with you. Here I will show you how you can put that equation. There is x cube, so for that press alpha then x, and for cube press this button and then press 3. See there, x cube you have given to the calculator. Now press that button and there is minus sign, thereafter 4x thereafter minus 9. Here you have completely given the equation to the calculator. So for getting the value of x you just have to press this calc and here it will ask you for the x value. When you put there 0, the function value that you got is minus 9. So just note it down on the notebook. Here I have noted some function value for x value. You can observe it. When I put x is equal to 0, I get function value as minus 9. You can see here. So when I put x is equal to 1, I will show it on the calculator. When I put x value as 1, I am getting minus 12, and when I put it as 2, I am getting it minus 9, and when I put it as 3, I am getting it 6. It's mean that your root lies between these two consecutive number, because these two consecutive number giving the consecutive negative and the positive value. So further explanation I will explain you from here. Now for getting the next x value, what you have to do, you have to add the last two consecutive number and divide it by the 2. So in the calculator you don't need to make any changes, just add them. 2 plus 3 divide by 2. Okay, so this is what the next x value you can see here. Now you have to put this value into the equation. So for that you don't need to write that equation again and again, just go back and here just place calc and write that x value. See here, you got the function value as minus 3.375. Now to find the next x value, what you have to do, just add this and this value, because now your root lies between 2.5 and the 3. Okay, so just add them. 2.5 plus 3 equal to divide by 2. What you got is the next x value. See here, you can observe it, next x value. Now put this x value into the equation. So for that just go back. Here is your equation, press calc and put it 2.75 and calculate it. See what the positive number you are getting, positive value you are getting for the function. See here, 0.7969. Now for getting the next x value, what you have to do, now your root lies between 2.5, because its function value is coming as negative and this its function value is coming as positive. Now your root lies between 2.5 and the 2.75. so just add them. 2.5 plus 2.75 equal to divide by 2. See, this is what your next x value. See here, 2.625. Now put this value into your equation. So just go back. Here is the equation. Just press calc and put that value 2.625 and press equal. Here you will get the next value. Now your root lies between this value and this value, means 2.625 and the 2.75. Now your root lies between these two consecutive value. So in this way you can solve it, this whole value of the x. At the last, the value that you got is 2.7064. I will show you that how you get it. So when you press shift plus calc here, if you put your value is coming as 2.625. Now from here only you can see your what the exact root for that function is. Just press equal. See here, you will get the exact root of that function, 2.706527. See here, the exact function is 2.70642. Okay, so I hope you understand this technique, and this technique will help you during your exam. If you like this video, don't go without hitting the like button.